Hello and welcome back to Uncle Matt's Workbench. This is part 3 of the vintage snowspeeder restoration. As I stated in the previous video, the only thing left to do is apply the decals. Now if you recall in part 1, I was trying to salvage the original vintage stickers, and I just want to show you what I did because it's not covered in that video other than removing them with naphtha. But after I was done filming, they were kind of curled, so what I did was I stuck them onto this piece of parchment. You can see there, and they were curled, they weren't flattened, so I put them on this piece of parchment, folded it over itself, and I stuck this under a big heavy stack of magazines to press them flat again. So see, the stickers don't really stick so well to the parchment, but they are still sticky. So these are totally usable. I'm not going to use them, but I am going to keep them preserved this way in case, I might use them on a future project, or I might trade them to somebody for something else that I need. And also in part 2, I mentioned eBay seller Zacparis, who makes reproduction stickers. And I did get those in, and I've got to say the quality of these stickers are very high, and I just want to show you the sticker sheet. To me, this looks exactly like a sticker sheet that would have come right out of the box when the ship was brand new. And they are also cut, so I don't have to cut these out. That job's already done for me, so it should be pretty easy to do. This is nice glossy paper. I mean, I'm really happy I decided to go this route because they are really high quality repros. And I will put his link, you can see it right there, but I'll put his link in the description to the video. He also provided, I don't know if this is a copy of an original or if this is something that he just worked up, but I have an instruction sheet for where to place the decals. So I'm sure this is going to be helpful. I'm just going to stick that over here. But before I apply any of these stickers, there is still some residue that I missed here. Like you can see, I don't know if that's right there in the right light. You can see there's some residue left over. I want to get all of that off before moving on to putting the decals on. And the way I'm going to do that is the same way I remove the stickers. I'm just going to use a cotton swab and some naphtha. I'm just going to scrub away at that. And wipe it off with a rag. Okay, now that all that residue's been removed, I can get on with applying these decals. I've moved the camera off to the side because I really don't like doing stuff like this with the camera in front of my face. It's really difficult. And I think I'm going to start with the 3 big ones on the bottom. And there we have it. All decals in place, and I must say I'm really pleased with how this looks now. There's the bottom, and I did get the landing gear. I didn't feature it in the last video, I should have, but just to see if that works. Electronics still work, and with the exception of not having a harpoon, this restoration is complete. So once again, thank you for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, maybe drop me a comment, share to social media, and I will see you next time.